Good morning, everybody. I'm Jill Malandrino from Options Profits, TheStreet's home for everything options, futures, and commodities. Equities closed higher Wednesday with the Dow extending its gains to post a record high for the second straight day amid signs of improvement in the labor market. Materials led the way while utilities lagged on 3% above average volume on the NYSE and 3% lower volume in NASDAQ stocks. Financials continue to lead the market with positive sentiment. Behind them, with Radion and MGIC remaining highlights as both names have recently exploded to the upside. Talks of results of banks' stress tests now are the focus, as the Wall Street Journal reported on Wednesday. Turning to Techland, hardware was strong with Dell up 1.78% as talks of the ICANN stake and Southeastern exploring options. HPQ and EMC also led the way while Apple underperformed. In software, Tibex was up 11% after giving earnings date and positive commentary from a competitor. Red Hat and Autodesk also performed well. Software laggards include Microsoft down almost 1% after announcing price cuts for Windows 8. Adobe and BMC and 3D printing are still under pressure. SSYS and Triple D also were lower. Semis ended flattish on the day with Wafer and Cree as notable outperformers. One of the longest and most powerful equity bull markets in history turns 4 years old today, and traders believe there is just one man to thank for that, Ben Bernanke. Futures are up about 2 to 3 handles on a relatively quiet overnight session. We get jobless claims today, and then non-farm payroll is tomorrow. Markets continue on its uptrend with money rotating amongst sectors with some very specific setups. The S&P resistance stands at 1545 and 1550, 1576 is just about 2% away, and support stands at 1538 and then 1530. As a reminder, I am co-hosting a webinar with Bob Lang of Real Money Pro on Wednesday, March 13th at 6 p.m. We team up again for the third time with new trades and strategies in our favorite space to trade, the ags. We will focus on names like Mosaic, Monsanto, Agrium, and much more. Details can be found on Options Profits, TheStreet, and Real Money Pro, and of course on Twitter at Options Profits. Have a great week, everybody, and trade well.